Good morning, guys. Today is day 16th, and I am going to tell you about myself. And it's a journey which I am doing, which I am traveling. I don't know what I want to say, but what I want to say, I think you are understanding. Uh, so here I am answer a question which is called "Tell me about yourself," and I am trying to answer this question because whenever I am going to interview, then mostly interviewers ask this question first. Some interviewers didn't ask this question because this question isn't necessary because they have my resume and everything is there. So if a interviewer is genuine, then he didn't never ask this question. He will ask you about your jobs, and he will ask you about your job responsibilities which is written there. He will point out a responsibility and ask uh, how do you do it, or how to do it, or how will you do it, or how did you do it. So but mostly interviewer, I don't know, this is a riti rivaj or something else, but mostly interviewer ask this question, tell me about yourself. And this answer is very simple, very easy, but mostly interviewees who are going to give interview unable to answer it properly. So I know the answer of this question, and I answered it many times in interviews, and uh, it I am trying to answer it perfectly. If an interview see you, if an interviewer sees you, then he decide that he will take you or not take you. Rest things are formality. So this question doesn't matter that you will pass the interview or not pass the interview, but you have to give your 100%. That's why you have to answer this properly. You have to answer this perfectly. Otherwise, you will think that you were less. So for those difficulties, I am answering this question again and again. So today is day 16, and I am going to tell you about myself. So I'm now. I will answer. I will start now. My name is Sandeep Singh. Originally, I am from Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and I have completed my post graduation from Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Royalkand University. And I live in New Delhi, and I work as an executive security at Oats Management Consultancy Private Limited. And as an executive security, my responsibilities are security supervision and security management, staff deployment and event management, sometimes celebrity management, documentation and supervision, and incident recording, patrolling, AMC management, equipment management, and vendor and supplier management, inventory management, interdepartment coordination, local authorities coordination or licensing, whatever you want to call it, you can call it, and office infrastructure management. And I am also manage purchase order and purchase request. So like this, I am doing my duty as security and executive. And whenever I am on patrol or I am doing patrolling, I ensure that every staff doing their duty properly, and I also ensure smooth operation is going on, because customer safety is our first priority and customers comfort is our first priority. So like this, I am performing my duty as an executive security assistant, executive security at Oats Management Consultancy Private Limited. Before executive security, I was an assistant supervisor at same organization, and my duties were similar, mostly similar. And before assistant supervisor, I was a CCTV operator at same organization, and as CCTV operator, my responsibilities were monitoring cameras all the time, and if see some suspicious thing, suspicious activity, or anything like that, then I have to inform field officers. And my suspicious thing, suspicious activity, or any other like fire incident, like someone is smoking in the no smoking zone, or someone doing inappropriate activity or objectionable activity, I have to inform field officer, and they will go there and they will stop them, and I have to record all these things as incident or observation in CCTV in the register. So I was doing incident recording, as CCTV operator, and I have to upkeep the equipment and CCTV record, like CCTV cameras record, CCTV NVIDIA DVRs record, CCTV servers record, uh, who's the vendor of CCTV and who took the AMC of CCTV. Because if something happens in CCTV, like camera shut down, NVR shut down, DVR shut down, then I have to inform these persons. So I have to upkeep all these things, and I was CCTV operator, but I was performing as CCTV in charge. There were 31 more operator who did reported me, and who did reported me at that time, and I was maintaining their duty roster also, their post positions also, that which operator going to which post on which day. So like this I was performing my duty, and as before CCTV operator, I was a guest relation assistant at IR People, full form International Recreation Park Private Limited. And as guest relation assistant, my responsibilities were ensuring customer safety, guiding customers about the ride, and I was in amusement park called Birds of Wonder, which comes under the Great India Place Mall. So there were rides for both adults and kids. There were rides for only kids. There were rides for only adults. So I have to ensure that appropriate person going to the appropriate ride. Means I have to choose. I have to identify that which person can go to which ride. These rides were based on height, weight. Uh, some rides has the a limitation of height. Some ride has the limitation of weight. So I have to uh, maintain all these things in proper way. Like this I am doing my duty over 15 years, and I think my experience and my skills will you can use my skills and my uh, experience in your company, and this is also a great opportunity for me. Thank you so much. Now I want to tell you about my this whole introduction. This was not structured, this was not well planned, this was not perfect. So I have to be perfect in this, as I don't know the great finish line, or I can't finish it very well way. So I am trying to finish it in very well way in next interview, next video, and till I am not master it or I am not perfect in it, I will answer this question. Thank you so much.